We're going to make some vegan, gluten-free donuts. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and over there is Zeta. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So we are going to make some donuts, but they are going to be vegan and gluten-free. And because it's Independence Day coming up, happy 4th of July everyone, we are going to make these super patriotic. So, as always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Gluten-free flour, almond milk, maple syrup, melted coconut oil, applesauce, baking powder, cinnamon, salt, and vanilla. So the equipment you will need for this one, a whisk, a big bowl to mix it in, and some donut pan. We have some silicone donut pans. I always put these on top of a baking sheet so that they're easy to bake with. They don't wobble around, easy to put in, easy to pull out. Don't go trying to stick this in the oven and then pull it out and expect a perfect donut. So first things first, we are going to combine all our dry ingredients and give it a little stir. Here's my gluten-free flour. We're gonna add the baking powder, the salt, and the cinnamon. If you don't feel like having cinnamon donuts, you don't have to add the cinnamon, but it's delicious. Give that a little whisk to combine everything together. Set that to the side, and in a big bowl, go ahead and combine all the rest of your ingredients. So, almond milk. You can also use coconut milk or oat milk, whatever your favorite vegan milk is. Maple syrup. You do not have to use maple syrup. You can use cane sugar or honey if you prefer. I like maple syrup because it's a whole food and it's kind of a little more on the healthy side. And applesauce. This is to replace the egg. No more Nikki. The melted, cooled coconut oil. Last, the vanilla. Last, we're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and give it a good stir until everything is fully combined. Okay, so once it's all whisked together, you should have kind of a thick-ish batter. You don't want it to be too thick that you can't get it into the pans, but you also don't want it to be too runny. So to make this easier to put into the donut rings, we are going to fill a piping bag. You could also just fill up a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and snip the corner off, and then we're gonna pipe it into the donut molds. Okay, so you want to give these a few good taps to get the air bubbles out, and then you're going to bake them at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until they bounce back when lightly pressed and they're kind of golden on top. That's how you'll know that they're done, and every oven is a little bit different, so the times may vary. Keep a close eye on them. Okay, so our donuts are done. They're completely baked and completely cooled, and now we're going to make our icing. This is where we're gonna go patriotic with our colors. We're gonna make some red, white, and blue icing and coat these little guys. So what you'll need for the icing, we'll need some powdered sugar, coconut oil, almond milk, some colors, and a little bit of flavor. The recipe is in the description, however, the amounts vary depending on where you're at. For instance, right now, I'm in Florida. It is like 100% humidity, so I won't need as much liquid in my glaze as you will need in yours if you're from somewhere that's dry. It's all an estimate. You go until you get the consistency you like. They are delicious. delicious. If you try them out, let us know. We would love to hear what you think about these donuts. If you enjoyed this video, you might also really love this vegan strawberry cake. Go check it out. It was absolutely delicious. So, I hope you enjoyed that recipe also. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below because we would love to hear from you and share it with all of your friends. And if you haven't yet, hit that notifications bell and please consider subscribing to this channel so you can see when we post our next video. See you guys next time.